How to make Brave your default browser. Welcome to today's tutorial, guys. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make Brave your default browser. So how can you make Brave your default browser? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Brave browser installed on your device. Once you have it installed, just go ahead and open up the browser. So once it's open up and it's launched, you will be brought to the home page of Brave, where you can do a variety of things by typing out whatever you want to search for on the web in the search box, and then you can now move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three dashes. Once you see it, click on it. And once you click on these three dashes, a box will be displayed, and then once this box is displayed, scroll down until you see the settings option, and then you click on it. Once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to the settings page. On this page, you will automatically be brought to the get started option. Right, ensure you're on this page. If you're not on the get started page, perhaps you're in appearance or shields or privacy and security, ensure you find your way back to get started. And then once you're on the get started page, in the Get Started tab, you'll see options such as profile name and icon, import bookmarks and settings, and then you'll see make Brave the default browser. So to make Brave the default browser, just click on make default like this, and then once you click on make default just like that, Brave will become your default browser. It is that simple. So go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.